what's up everybody? It's DZ back with another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the HUBSAN X4 H502E. This is the somewhat twin sister of the H502S. The only thing that's different about this one is it doesn't have first person view like the 502S has. Let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing on this thing. Already opened her up. Checked everything out, made sure it was in here. Came with an empty box. Nothing in it. Too big for the battery. I don't know what was supposed to have been in here, but there was nothing in it and it's not missing anything. But, oh well. Comes with some prop guards. You've got the 502E. Go ahead and let you guys see the lighting on this. It's got pretty much almost the same lighting as the 501S. You hear that gyro kicking up in there. Not a lot in this box. We've got the user manual. The transmitter takes 4 AAA batteries. Pretty basic transmitter just because it doesn't have first person view, of course. Not a lot to it. You got your camera and video here. You have your return to home here, power, trim, and trim, your throttle and yaw, pitch and roll. That's basically it. All that is to that. Then you've got in here your charger, your props, and another little screwdriver, which I have a million of, and your screws for the props. Now these screws are colored 2 different colors. We've got black ones and silver ones. The silver ones are for one prop and the black ones are for other props, counterclockwise and clockwise props. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's all to this box. We'll see you guys soon with the test and review. Have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Later.